Hey guys, welcome back to McArthur Industries. So we're here today in Sandgate, Auto Electrics and Automotive. Just want to have a chat about, some people would know the vintage of us McArthurs, where we've had a bit of time where my old man used to cruise down to Byron and be a bit of a surfy lad as a red-headed ranger back in the day, and also myself, I think he passed it on to me, where couldn't help ourselves, where the love for VW Kombis is. Today this isn't one of ours, I wish it was, because we sold all ours and when they're at a price where it was worthwhile buying and selling, but now can't afford one. But guys, the sort of work we do, as you can see, still getting these sort of clients through. We've been a part of it for a long time, the old VW scene, so if we can help you out with any of this sort of work, this gentleman's come in, we're looking at doing a dual battery system. We've actually run a DC to DC charger in him, so we can actually run his fridge in here. So some of the new technology going into the older beast here. But guys, need any work, stuff like this, the vintage cars, we love working on, we love seeing them in here in the workshop, we love showing them. If anybody's got any comments down below of can remember some long-headed lout called Todd McArthur driving around in a yellow Kombi back in the day, I'd love to see some of the comments back what happened back in the day. So have a great day, we'll speak to you soon, and thanks to this client for bringing his van in. It's been absolutely beautiful and pleasure to work on, and we'll have a good day. Thanks.